want new ways to diversify your portfolio in terms of getting something cool at the online space, and here let me show you. What if I tell you that there's this platform on Telegram which gives daily updates and legit ways of making something cool at the online space? All that you have to do is that you check through the description. The first thing, that is the Telegram link. You join it, and there's this new update about this particular platform which has been launched today, of which you can check the Telegram channel. The pinned comment, that is the platform which you get to know the tutorials on how to use this platform to make something cool at the online space. Make sure you check through the description and also be part of this community and know how to always get something cool at the online space, being the honest way and also the legit way of making something cool at the online space. Okay, so you check through the description. Okay, and one thing I want you to know is that this video is not a sponsored video. This video will show you how you can make yourself something cool at the online space every blessed day. Okay, so this particular platform, as being mentioned earlier, is going to help you and also know how to be at the online space so as to diversify your portfolio coming this Christmas. This Christmas, you need money to do a lot of stuff, and this particular platform is going to be a help for you to also get something cool. Okay. Alright, and also as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you how I make money through platforms like this. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this particular video. Make sure you do your own research. You do your own research so as to know how you can use this platform to get something cool. And remember, this video is for educational purpose as well.